right now, close ko lang yung mga apps na maaaring makasagabal or makapagtatagal. But anyway, we'll go to our email kung saan sinend ni Macuela yung file. Una, DV19.3, na-download ko na yan. Open natin tong readme file ng DV19.1.3. First is to launch the terminal. So, familiar naman tayo dito. Ito yung code natin is sudo spctl. Ito yan, sudo spctl -- master disable. Pag in-enter ko to, magpa-prompt ng password ito. Yan. Lakihan natin. And then, just type the password. Okay. Wala talaga tayong makikita para sa security. Ganyan talaga yung terminal. Pag successful yan, may makikita tayong mga messages dyan. Ayan. Okay, na-disable na yung master disable. Pinapa-disable na. So, open the file, which is nandito yan sa downloads ko. Ito, DV. And then, pag open natin yan, right-click lang natin. Ayan. Ay, hindi. Ito, nag-open na. Sabi dito is, launch Resolve Studio, montergroup.pkg. So, ito yan. Launch the Resolve Studio. So, I assume ito yung Resolve Studio kasi DRS. Tsaka base sa logo niya. DaVinci Resolve Studio. And then, pag nilaunch yan, so open lang. Usually, installer lang naman yan. So, yeah. So, it's installing. After nyan, if your Mac does not allow you to do this, ayan, okay na pala. So, okay na. Number 3, dito na tayo. Done. So, hindi ko na ila-launch ha. Anyway, stop ko na muna yung recording.